Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing a Kiwi Crate, and I'm really excited to get into this. My kids are kind of chomping at the bit trying to get me to film these so that they can do them. But if you are new to my channel, I created this channel as a homeschooling resource to do unboxings like we're doing today, to give you organizational and curriculum ideas and ways to invite Christ into your homeschool space. So if you're interested in those things, please hit that subscribe button and let's unbox this crate. So this one says it's push and pull toys. Explore the science of tension with push puppets and racing turtles. There you go. Sounds pretty cool to me. So when we open it up, this is a little picture on the front. It looks like a little puppet show almost, but so that is one of the things we're gonna make. These crates, the Kiwi crates usually have a few different activities in them that the kids get to make. So this is gonna be all of our instructions in here. This is our turtle. I guess you can't see the whole picture and what it looks like when it's done, but there's a sneak peek of the turtle for you. And then Science of Tension. So this book is gonna have a whole bunch of additional resources and some comics and activities. Sometimes they have ones you can make with your box, or they'll just have additional activities that you can do besides what's in your box. So we have a whole bunch of different pieces. These might be for our turtle. I'm not sure. There's eyeballs and a bunch of foam pieces. We have lots of string, so lots of green and some blue. So I'm guessing turtle, because turtles are green, usually. And then we have some bees, which look like for our little puppets that were on the top of this right here. And then we have a whole bunch of wooden pieces right here, so I'm not sure what all of these go to. And then we have turtles, turtle. So they're very cute little turtles. And then we have a few little screws and nuts and bolts right here. And that's what's in this box. So it's gonna be lots of fun. I'm excited to let my kids get into all of these different crafts. They love them so much. And so I'm gonna let my son get at it, and we will let you know how it goes. So Manti finished his Kiwi Crate and it was a lot of fun. Did you have fun doing it? Yeah. So he's gonna hold up the projects he got to make and we're gonna tell you a little bit about them.
First, let's do this.
Sorry, the book comes first. Okay, so in here, there's a craft you could do with your box. It's making an elevator right here. And so again, we're talking about tension and things like that in this crate. And so it's talking about how elevators work. So you can do that, but then there's also a fun food activity. There always is food at the back. So this is making like this cute little pita thing, but the tension part, he's like trying to see all over the place, comes with cutting the egg right here with a piece of string. And so if you have it tight enough, you're able to cut through the egg. So there's some fun activities in the book. Okay, so let's show them your projects. You're gonna hold the turtles up first. So these are our little turtles. He made 2 of them, and this one he made first and this one he made second. You can tell he got better at the string because he had to wind it all around. And so this part took a while, actually. So it made this craft kind of long because of having to do the turtles, and you make 2 of them, not just one. So that made it even longer. But he still had a lot of fun doing it, and I like that you can see his improvement. You know, his fine motor skills were getting better after he did one already. But then you can race the turtles. Did you like racing the turtles? Are you sure you liked racing the turtles? Yeah, he did. He played with the races forever. We'll show you some of the races, and he loved them so much. And he just kept racing the turtles. So these are really a lot of fun. That's what these straws right here for racing the turtles. So what's the other one? So these are our little push puppets is what they're called. So they just kind of wobble all over the place, and then there's the scene in the background, but you can take it out and you can put a new scene in if you want. So this one's a beach one right here.
And there's a plain one.
And there's a plain one. So if you wanted to draw your own picture, you can do that as well. So this is fun. So it just has this little lever right here you push, and they're all on rubber bands. And then the people just flop all over the place. So that was really cool and a lot of fun. So we enjoyed this project. What do you think was the funnest part?
Pushing this.
Pushing that, because they're silly, huh? They just flop all over the place. What do you think was the hardest part? Doing.
The string keep falling apart.
Oh yeah, so one of them, for some reason, I don't know if it was the string or if he was pulling a little bit harder. They're different colors. This is a darker green. So this string kept breaking apart, and we had to keep tying it and so we could keep going. So I don't know if that's gonna happen with all this color of green string again, if he was maybe pulling too hard, I'm not really sure. But yes, it kept falling apart, so we had to keep retying it so he could keep going. But other than that, I thought this crate was a lot of fun. I think it teaches some really great science information, and there's a lot of extra activities you can do in the workbook as well right here. And so we're excited for next month. Are you excited for next month? Yeah? So if you like these videos, please give us a thumbs up, and we will see you next time.